If you have been outside most of this week, you know we have been dealing with some very spring-like temperatures, and that is going to continue again this afternoon with highs likely getting into the mid to upper 70s. And if things hold like this, and the long-term models do show that, this could be one of the earliest springs on record here in South Carolina. So you're not wrong in thinking that this has definitely been a very warm February and likely going to continue into March and April. The other thing you might notice today is those winds starting to pick up just a little bit more as we get through the afternoon and evening out ahead of our front. That looks to get here tomorrow morning, giving us that chance for at least a few scattered showers through the first half of our Friday. Then behind it, that's when we're starting to track some cooler temperatures moving in for your Friday afternoon, continuing into your Saturday. So the start of the weekend might be a little bit on the cool side. So if you're starting to make those plans now for the weekend, here's how it's shaping up. The good news is we are looking at bright, sunny conditions for your Saturday. Just going to maybe need that jacket as you're out and about. There's temperatures in the 50s and still a touch breezy. 35 at night, so it will get quite chilly Saturday night. Milder for your Sunday, but a little bit more cloud cover around with 64 for that afternoon high. Satellite radar is beginning to show those clouds move in across much of the Midlands. We had some of that sunshine earlier, but now I think the clouds are going to be the dominating feature through the rest of today. But we still have that southerly breeze, which is why those temperatures are still mild. Big picture, though, we're waiting for this front off to our west, starting to produce some scattered thunderstorms back across portions of Tennessee, down into Mississippi and Louisiana. I got the Storm Prediction Center risk up here because you can see we got this big area of orange where there's a likelihood for some damaging tornadoes later on today. So we'll be watching out for some severe weather there across Mississippi and Alabama. But this system should weaken and just give us the chance for some scattered showers by the time we get into tomorrow morning. Temperatures today, though, going to be very warm and spring-like. We got a high of 79 degrees as we push into the afternoon. Even this evening, still going to be very comfortable as we only dip down into the upper 60s by about 9-10 o'clock this evening. So clouds building with those breezy southwest winds up over 20 miles an hour at times. More clouds through the night. Maybe some showers first thing tomorrow morning out towards Newberry, Chester, Winnsboro. But really, as we get towards 8, 9, 10 o'clock, that's when we get these light scattered showers kind of pushing into the area with some gusty winds up to 30 miles per hour. Around noon, still have a few scattered showers around, but quickly that exits. We'll now have some still breezy conditions, but coming out of the northwest, that starts to bring down that cooler air heading into our Friday. And then we get that sunshine returning along with those cooler conditions continuing into our Saturday. So your 10-day forecast shows 79, partly sunny today, morning showers tomorrow, 67 early, but then dropping into the 50s, 57 with sunshine on Saturday, 64 for your Sunday, and then back to 70 degrees with partly cloudy skies for President's Day.